Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can create a website really fast in like about 2 minutes. So first of all, let's go ahead and let me just leave my account. So let's log out and let's open our wordpress.com just like so. So what you will have to do here is click on start your website, and here you put your email address, username, and you choose a password from your own. Basically they will not accept any password, so make sure to make the hardest password that you can think of. And of course, if you have already an account, you can continue with Google or whatever. So for me, I will just log in to my account, something like that. I will go back and log in and put my information just like so, or continue, something like that. Log in, yes. So now what I will have to do is click on connect, then we go back in here and put my password again, and I will go right into this page, which will be looking something like that. Okay, good. So now, as you can see, it is opened. I have all the information about my website. You can go ahead and choose any plan from here. For example, if you want to make your own domain, you can choose whatever from here. I have not activated my account, that's why they are blocking this, but you will be able to see all of these. So you can select any of these options and buy your own domain name with any of these names in here, like blog.shop.store or even .com or .link or whatever if you like. And here we'll have all the options from inbox, posts, media, pages, plugins, appearance, WooCommerce if you want to make a WooCommerce website, users, plugins, settings, and lots of other informations about your website. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make your website in 2 minutes. If you want to watch it and see it, you can click on visit website, and that's how you can actually see it. And yeah guys, that's how you can make a website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.